Posted on the block with a big ass joint. Police everywhere, so we stay on point. Money in my hand, pockets stay on swole. And if you ever ask a question, nigga, we don't know. Don't be talking to me crazy if you ain't bout drama. And don't even be hit my phone if it ain't bout commas. I'ma ride every day for my gang with no problem. And if a nigga want beef, we fillet him and chop him. I get high every day. You can say I'm a doctor, got my niggas out the streets. You can say I'm a prophet, I got money in the bank, it can't fit in a wallet. I got.
Bye, have a great time.
So we're here at Kohl's right now. Fucking
out here, first one's out.
Yeah, first one's out here. It's fucking empty as fuck. There's a car right there, as you can see. Perfect. Yeah. I'm vlogging on my phone because I can't afford a fucking camera, guys. Sorry. And we're all drunk as fuck, so. And we're gonna take a shit at Kohl's. Nah, don't let us, bro. So yeah, tune in, guys, in 5 minutes. We've finished taking a shit, and we've made it back, and this place is starting to get filled up. I'll catch up back to you guys once we start swinging that shit. And the cops already fucking showed up. Excuse my dirty ass window. Yeah, we're here posted.
Now, homie, we really out here, bro.
Yeah,
swing your shit, eh?
Oh, dude.
Damn, bro, look at this shit. This shit's bad.
Yeah, nice car right here. Nice car pulling in right here. Another nice car pulling in right here.
My homie works for that company. I was thinking of going to that company too.
And the cops are still fucking here. We just got here, and the cops are already here. Fucking shit. What are we gonna do, guys? Well, this sucks. Barely getting here to the spot. There's a fat ass cop here. What a way to start off the month, dude. Fuck. Alright, guys, so the last spot got fucking shut down. We're on our way to, where are we at? To the IE right now. We're on the freeway. Cops shut that shit down real quick.
We're actually going to Pasadena.
Got Brian in the back. Brian in the car seat. Young GPS right here. So, here we go, guys. Alright, guys.
Just posted, don't
so we're right here.
He just posted.
We got supercar suspects right here. Save the fucking hair. Woo!
What's up, man? How's it going, bro?
What's up, bros? How are you guys? And we finally made it, guys. So
We're out here in fucking Peru, my nigga.
Yeah.
I'm working on dying.
I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. Every month, I'm supposed to pay her bills and get her what she want. I still got like 7 years of doing what I want. My dad still got child support from 1991. Out of town, people love to pop a lot of shit and come around. Word to Flacco Jody, he done seen us put it down.
Oh,
When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said
brand new whip, got no keys. Tailor my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow go rockin' like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna make what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged here, jewelry like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his Vizu. President's 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I come from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 bitch on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I let people go, leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and I got one off the way. When niggas like me, they supposed to.
So how do you feel about all these cops out here, my boy?
The cops.
Fuck! Oh my God!
They just did the same.
The fuck out of here!
Look. They're blocking the cars, bro.
Oh fuck!